In this video, we're going to look at two ways to use Find and Replace text, using the navigation pane and the Find and Replace commands on the Home tab in Microsoft Word for the web. Let's start with the navigation pane. On the ribbon, go to View and select Navigation. The pane opens with a search box. Type a word or phrase, or press Ctrl+F. Word lists the matches in the pane and highlights them in the document. Click any result, or use the up and down arrows to jump through each occurrence. When you're done, clear the search box to remove the highlighting. Next, switch to the Replace tab, or press Ctrl+H. In Search in Document, type the text you want to change. In Replace With, type the new text. Choose Replace to step through the matches one by one, or Replace all to update every match at once. Clearing the search box hides the results when you finish. To make your search more precise, open the drop-down next to the search box. Match Case finds text with the exact same capitalization, and whole words only avoids partial matches, so art won't match start or artist. You can also access the same tools from the Home tab. In the Editing group, Find opens the navigation pane with your search ready, and Replace opens the Replace view. Whether you start from the navigation pane, the keyboard shortcuts, or the Home tab, you're using the same Find and Replace features to update your document efficiently.